Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingowakwaDzanibe isibongo inkosi yethu ke lela sithi khona siphenye ibheshu ila siyasihambele khona ke indawo sibheke ukuthi ngabe iziphi izikhale ekhona emphakathini kulolu suku ke lwanamhlanje sibheka indawo yase Hospital View kuyilapho ke sikhona njengalokho ke sibonile lapha einkundleni zokuxhumana ko TikTok kukhalwa ke ngogogo umama ke uMary Silepe we MMS training bethi ke akenzi kahle kodwa ke sizokwazi ukuthi singene ngaphakathi sizwe ukuthi yena uthini kodwa ke ake siqale la sikuzwise ukuthi laba abebekhala bakhala bathini ngaye ake siqale lapha
ke nje dilo go te khobosha mme wa seaparo wa scam wa seaparo a go te khobosha ibile se go te khobosha ba go fiteleja batho go shitlo tla tja dilo ja batho a se mathomo go ra go jela mosadi wa batho challenge mosadi wa magekolo wa 65 years old do scam mosadi wa 65 years old nagana kuri motho wa scam ibile ba scam le police officer a scam kuri nna ke thusha batho ka se ka go thusha batho ka bona ke thusha le batho ba molao mapodisa ke fele ke a thusha mogekolo modimo le polisa o skemile ke mogekolo shwa tsotsi wa ga para seaparo mme wa kereke tsotsi skeme sa mogekolo thaetša mo
Mary Silepe wa ko Hospital View Tembisa o jere tšhelete ya ka ya o lekana 3000 ke a nyaka tšhelete uwe e sale o e tšea ka 2023 bane jwa lebile ke 2025 o gana mpatela ke a nyaka tšhelete uwe 3000 e uwe ke nyaka o bona o mphile yona ke gale ntse o mpromisa o gana ka yona
nagana mogekolo ba Tembisa ba ditsotsi I see
bakwethu njengalokho ke sishilo ukuthi siphenye ibheshu siyaqhubeka ke nodaba lethu sizozwela ngaye ke umama njengoba niyibonile ke ivideo kukhalwa ngaye lapha ke einkundleni zokuxhumana endaweni ke la esikuyo eHospital View sizozwa ngaye ke ukuthi uTlarenge thobela mama
Agentate
letsohile
re tsohile papa wena
hayi nathi siyaphila zocela umama abingelele umphakathi endaweni yaseThembisa asichazele ukuthi umama bani ungakwabani umsebenzi awenzayo uhamba kanjani
dumelang community ya Tembisa nna ke nna Mary Silepe ke etsa mosebetsi wa trainer di skills development. I'm accredited with ETDP SETA.
uthoma nini umsebenzi wa trainer and this skills ama skills lawa ofarayo hamba kanjani
Ke thomile pele ke trainela other service providers from 1995. Then in 2015 I then applied for accreditation to train as a service provider. So I train people to become facilitators, assessors, moderators. I do SMME training and new venture creation. The list is endless.
You are accredited.
I am accredited with the ETDP SETA.
Hey, sibona ivideo la ko TikTok. Bakufakile lapho ufake imfaniswano yesonto kodwa akabakhulumi kahle. Awusichazele kabanzi ngalokho.
Ke trainer batho then training people the process ya ukra the certificate or the statement of result is start with the ETDP SETA. So what I do, I train people and then during training I explain to them that it takes long to get the statement of results. So I train people and I will then submit to the SETA. So before I submit to the SETA, as a facilitator, I need to look for an assessor, which is also a process that takes close to 2 months. And then thereafter, I'll do a moderation. I'll look for a moderator. And then after the moderation, then I'll need a verification from the SETA. So what the SETA does, it then visits all the service providers all throughout the country. You find that maybe you are on the waiting list. You may wait for a year or 1 year, 6 months. And then thereafter, they will come and do verification. After they have verified, is then that they will release the statement of results.
Nathi ke siyithathe ngoba sizwa kwivideo akukho okunye okungaphekwa lokho esikuzwe kwivideo esesikwazi kodwa ke sizimisela ukulandelela angikusho ngenzele nomuntu obukayo ngathi indaba encane ngifuna ukuphawula ngoba baningi abantu abanokufuna ukuphawula kodwa ke kuloko esesikuzwile kwivideo sizwe ukuthi umama omdala hey udla imali zabantu kuhamba kanjani utsama
Ha ke di tšhelete tsa batho. So what they do when we train people, re ba charge 8 to 10,000. But now as a community and as a member of the stakeholder, I felt, let me plow back to the community. So plowing back to my community, I charge 3,000. And the reason why I charge 3,000 is that I train for 5 days, and then when they come for training, then I serve them breakfast, I serve them lunch, and it takes 8 hours per day. And then also the 3,000 covers for stationery, because my stationery, I have a learner guide which has 170 pages. I have learner workbook which has 37 pages, and also a assessment portfolio which is 48 pages. So the 3,000 is the cost for the people that I train.
E thoma jwang taba ya hore batho ba re hae ke nyaka tjhelete ya ka?
Batho gore ba re ba batla tšhelete ya bone ke ha the statement of result se sa tswe ka pele, and which is not mo matleng a ka. I have to wait for the process to get explained tsa SETA gore there has to be assessment, there has to be moderation, verification, then the SETA must come and check the files, and then after they've done all those processes is then that they issue the statement of results.
Uyibone video
Video ke e bone papa.
e o tshwara jwang?
Ga botlhoko gagolo, e ntshwere ga botlhoko. I couldn't sleep for a week. Empa I got the support from the people that I trained. I don't know if I should mention the people that I trained who are benefiting from the training. But what's one Bishop Mchali, they are even going to Cape Town, Durban. Every week he's on call. I trained them, and I trained a lot of pastors in Tembisa. I trained a lot of people.
Because ngendlela ekungakhona manje kume kanjani ngokwesikole sakho nanokuthi awuchazele kabanzi MMS training ki ingi MMS training umuntu ongayazi akayitsiba sha?
Motho a sa tsebeng MMS training ke MMS is from my names, Maputle Miriam Selepe, and it thusa batho gore ba be di facilitators. So it assists people on how to talk to people within the communities. But over and above that, they can also make money once they are accredited service providers. They can then stand on their own, start their own businesses, and train people on ECD, new venture, SMMEs, lots of things. And also, I've been training for IEC. So as a facilitator, it is open because we have 21 accredited SETAs. So as a facilitator, you can train anything. The only thing for assessment and moderation, then you need to be accredited with that SETA to offer the statement of result.
Ake sithi ke naku umuntu ongakwazi ubonile lapha ko TikTok ukukhulunywa uzozo okoqala njengoba sikhuluma nawe nje. Yini le ongafisa ukumtshela yona ngaloku asekuzwile naloku wena uzokusho?
And botsang batho ke gore whatever that has appeared mo TikTok has nnete ka nna. I train people, I've trained traffic officers, I've trained police, I've trained magistrate, I've trained nurses, I train everyone. And I've trained people from 1995, I've been doing training. So this is the first time that this happened to me. I'm not a scammer.
Okay, really boa.
Thank you, Kalebahapa.
Bakwethu njengalokhu ke nizwele kanti ke cishe ke mawumuntu olandela iThembisa Online uzokuqonda ukuthi ke lolu udaba oluqhubekayo phecelezi a developing story ngenzela ukuthi ke nalaba ebebezwakala bekhuluma lapha ke kulokho okuqoshiwe ku TikTok sizokwazi ukuthi banikeze ithuba nabo sizwe ukuthi hleze lolu daba bona njengalokhu ke naye ke umama esekhulumile bakhuluma bathini ukuqhubekela phambili. Besikhona ke la endaweni yase Hospital View. Igama lami ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe. Ingosi yethu noma uhlelo lwethu esibiza ukuthi ke siPhenyi Bheshu. Kanti ngihambe ngedwa ukhona ubanele uBrazo Sondlo kube uyena uMahlatsi Mashamayite. Siyasizana ke nezinsizwa uhlanganisa lolu hlelo uThabo Tabiya Sibiya kanjalo noDerek Phukela Short by Hauser. Ake sivale lapha sizwe ke ukuthi wena uPaul uthini ngalolu daba.